Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with the part 4 video and the final part for explaining a plotting library. And in the past videos I show you the most everything. I show you how you can plot by using pyplot library inside of pyplot library. But in today's video I'm going to conclude and I'm going to finish it up by explaining everything that I show you, and I'm going to also show you some other stuff. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. On the last time I show you how the plotting methods work, and also how the scatter, bar, and hist plotting methods work. And this is just a straight line plotting method, and this is the point, and this is the bar, and also this is going to, if this go up, which means it is repeated that much way. And but what I want to focus on today's video is to show you how this information giver things work, and I show you how we can give the title by just using like this, and also for the label name, and we have to use pt shell if you want to see the plotted graph. Okay. And in today's video I'm going to show you how can we give some realistic information to give information for user, or to just able to understand it. Okay, to do that let me introduce you some plt dot label legend. This is going to give us information about the data. So to do that we come here and we can say label label and equal to, let's say, hello. That work. Let's just see that. Okay, as you can see here, this line going to represent the hello thing. And if we also want to plot, I did not show you this, but we can also plot two different data in one graph. And to do that we can just say pt plots, and for this one let's use which one could we use? Let's use data maybe. Okay, let's say in the list data of first index, and also data second index. And if we can give we can give for the label name, legend, yeah, label. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, instead of hello, let's say first, and this is what will be second one. And if I run this one, as you can see here, oh, we have two line. Okay, it's because this is list. I don't want to confuse you. Let's just only use data it have 2 dimension. I don't know if it work or not. Yes, it work. Hopefully it's work. Okay, so as you can see here, we have if we have more data, we can explain it by using some, let's say, do we can give tuning. Does that work? Let's see. Yep, it work. Okay, as you can see, if someone is come from some other place, and if we want to see some definition from this plotting, we can define it by using this legend syntax. And but first we have to give the name for the label of that plot, and we can do more plotting method. And then the second one is where I want to show you is grid, and it's going to create some square line, and it will make it easy to visualize. And let me show you. Okay, grid, and if I run this one, okay, I don't know why this was imported. Don't need this one, do we? Okay, or this is what I just show you. Okay, as you can see here, we have some square thing, and we're going to easy to visualize. As you can see at the number 4, the x value is 0, and when the y is 6, the x is 1, and when the x is 2, the y value is somewhere 15. We can look up if we confused. Okay, yeah, 15, and 4.5 when the x value is 3, and same as for this one. Okay, it is make it easy to read the data by using grid. And the next thing that I want to show you in this video is where you can find this syntax, and I'll show you that. And this is a website that I want to show you. You can find you can learn more deeply about pyplot if you want to learn. And this is the official website for matplotlib library, and it will explain very well, and you can plot in different way. And this will going to make you a good plotter if you use this website to learn. And as you can see, we have Python tutorial, and if you also want to plot image, you can use this website. And also what is this, you can also visualize half cycle. I don't know, you can read about if you are really interested about. So this is what I get for you in today's video, and this is the last part for explaining pyplot library inside of pyplot library. And I'll see you guys in the next explanation library video. So I hope I see you there. Goodbye.